In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ichimoku in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through the basic setup together so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to get the Ichimoku indicator on your chart and be ready to start exploring its signals. I'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along even if you're new to TradingView or to Ichimoku. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work here, so just pick one you're comfortable looking at. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually located in the main toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on the indicators button. This opens a search and browse window where you can find all of TradingView's built-in tools and community scripts. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. This is where we're going to type in the name of the indicator we want. Click into that search bar and start typing Ichimoku. You don't have to type the whole word before results start appearing. TradingView will automatically filter indicators as you type. What you're looking for is the built-in Ichimoku indicator, often labeled something like Ichimoku Cloud or just Ichimoku. It should appear under the built-in section, not the community scripts. Once you see the correct Ichimoku indicator in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You'll notice several lines and a shaded cloud appear over your price action. That's the Ichimoku system at work. Even if it looks a bit busy at first, don't worry. The goal right now is just to get it displayed and make sure it's functioning properly. If you're using TradingView Pro, you'll have a smoother experience when working with multiple indicators like Ichimoku, especially if you want to combine it with other tools or use more advanced layout options. If you're interested in upgrading or trying Pro, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also gives you access to the full power of TradingView's features while you're experimenting with indicators like Ichimoku. That's all you need to get Ichimoku onto your TradingView Pro charts and ready for further analysis.